Hi everyone! Today we're going to be playing Dress Up with Bingo, Bluey, George Pig, and Peppa's friends. First we have Freddie Fox. He's dressing up as a knight in shining armour. Oh, look at that, he's got a nice helmet. And a shield. So cool. So shiny. Oh, there's a dragon! That's alright, have this sword. Oh, good job, Freddie. Okay, who's next? Next we have Suzy Sheep, and she's dressed up for winter. Brrr. You see it's snowing. Oh, it's so cold, must put that hat on. And the scarf. And she's got a snowflake shirt. Whoa, look warm now. Who's next? Ah, it's George Pig dressed up as a Jester. He's got the Jester hat and a horsey. Oh, George is looking like he's having lots of fun. And then we have Danny Dog. He's got a sailor's hat and some rain boots. Nice purple. And the rain boots there. Wow, it looks ready to go sailing. Alright, the main event. We got Bluey and Bingo dressing up as grannies. You can see they've got the blankets and the glasses. Okay, we have Bingo dressing up first. Or who? Bluey? Who should go first? Ah, it's Bluey dressing up as Janet. Put the glasses on.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you.
And then it's Bingo's turn. She likes to dress up as Rita.
Can someone help me get my glasses?
Ah, already. They look very funny. Okay, what do we got next? We have these surprise camper vans from Peppa Pig. I wonder who we'll find hiding in here. Can you guess? So it's a purple van, and it's Suzy Sheep, dressed up in a Starry Night outfit with a purple dress. What a surprise! And we got the blue Peppa Pig van. Who could be in here? I wonder, was it Peppa? What? It's Suzy Sheep again? Twins? Oh, who's this coming along? It's George Pig, another George Pig. He wants to dress up as a Jester as well. You want to share the hat, George? Oh, this is so funny. And George is riding the horse as well. It's JJ from Cocomelon. He wants to dress up as a granny. Bluey, Bingo, can you help him?
Of course we can.
JJ, you're not a granny. You're still a baby. Alright, who's next? Well, it looks like one of the Suzy Sheeps wants to dress up in warm winter outfits. Do you mind swapping, Suzy Sheep Winter? Aha! That looks good. A purple scarf for a purple dress.
Thank you so much for helping us play dress-ups.
No problem, Janet. No problem, Rita. We'd like to come again. Alright, let's have a look at the whole crew. All dressed up. Did you like playing pretend? Don't forget to brush your teeth and subscribe for more videos.